Hello guys, this is Bike Rahul and I'm gonna teach you how to clean the chain of your bike with two solutions. There would be a chain cleaner and the lubricant. Let's show you.
Brother, was caught in the crossfire. Was caught in the crossfire.
So guys, we have got two canes and one is cleaner, another one is lubricant. So I will show you how to wash the chain first and then how to apply the lubricant. Okay, so we have got the pulsar in this 200 and this is the chain, you can see. So what we do is this, look at this, it's all dust and mix up of oil. So what we do first, we use this cleaner and spray it on the chain. That's it. Look at this. And for better results, what we can do, we can use a toothbrush, which is old one. We can just rub it like this. So when it's done, after the cleaning, what we do is we use the lubricant and that's it. It's done. All we need to do is apply the cleaner first, then apply the lubricant, and we are all set to roll the road for 200 kilometers again. So this is the simple step you can follow, and yeah, you can use the toothbrush to clean the chain. If you think it's not cleaned up with the cleaner, you can use toothbrush. Moreover, you can check out my other videos of my trip for Spiti Valley, Such Pass and Audi trip. Go to my blog here and check it out. Thank you very much.
Was caught in the crossfire. Was caught in the crossfire.